The next topic of Chapter 5, the Internet Web Browser, is commonly used Internet terms, or you can say that Internet terminologies. There are few Internet terms or terminologies that we use while using the Internet. www, Webpage, Homepage, URL, ISP, net surfing, and search engine. I will explain you each and every terminologies one by one. World Wide Web, which means www. It refers to a network of sites on the internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animation, and videos. The information can be accessed by people all over the world. Now, what is www? www means that when you are opening any website, when you are opening any website, it always starts with www. So www gives you the access so that you can search the information on a particular topic, which includes text, pictures, animations, and the videos. Web page. A web page is a digital page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. Let me give you an example. If you're searching any web page on Google, then a web page, what does it contain? What does a web page contain? It is actually a digital page. It is an electronic page which includes your text, the images, the videos, the audios, and so on. Homepage. Homepage is the first page of any website. The first page of a website is called the home page. It contains the main information about the accessed website along with the links to other pages of a website. Okay? URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay? To visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator. The Uniform Resource Locator of any website is entered in the address bar of a web browser. ISP, Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you the use of internet in exchange for a fee, like all the telephone companies, Airtel, Vodafone Idea, Jio, BSNL. These are your ISP, Internet Service Provider, because these telephone companies provides you the access of internet service. It provides software, username, and password to the user in order to get connected to the internet. Examples of ISP are Airtel, Jio, BSNL, VI, Vodafone Idea, and so on. Net surfing. The act of searching on World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surfing. For example, like these days you all are so free. So when you sit on the internet, when you're having your smartphone in your hand, what do? You move from one page to another page. You move from one website to another website. You move from one app to another app. So what is this known as? This is known as net surfing, which means that you don't have any planned strategy. What you want to do, you're just wasting your time from moving from one app to the another app. So this type of searching is known as net surfing. Search engine. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. Can you guess any search engine? Yes, Google. Google is a search engine, which means if anything you want to search, you simply type on Google and you get the information related to the topic. So this is all for today, children. I will also post one video in which I will show you all these terms that are used in internet. Thank you.